What is up, guys? We are here at the Hyte booth, checking out everything they have to offer. What is up, guys? We are here in Taiwan at Computex 2024, checking out Hyte's booth right here.
Yeah, there's lots of new stuff. We've got new cases, new AIOs, a bunch of RGB stuff as well. So yeah, let's go check out what's new.
So front and center of Hyte's booth, you can see that we have some new colors when it comes to the Y70 case. They are calling this the Milky series. We have the strawberry milk here. This is really cute. I feel like that's going to be popular with a lot of gamer girls. They have the blueberry milk, which is my personal favorite. And then the third color that we have is the taro milk. Personally, this is also one of my second favorites here. And if you're wondering when you can get your hands on these cases, for the original Y70 in the colors, those come out in September. Hopefully in time, we will see the prototype screens with the case come out down the road as well.
All right, so we're going to check out some cooling now. So we have a brand new AIO. Over here, we have the Thicc Q80 Trio. Now, previously, we obviously had the Q60 Duo, which is the 240mm version. But a lot of people were asking for a 360mm because, of course, you can fit 360 in the Hyte Y70. So this is going to kind of fill up some more space. And one of the other bonuses is that you can kind of reduce the fan speed but still have the same cooling performance because there's more surface area. So yeah, this is pretty cool. We also have the new fans as well. So you'll notice that these are not reverse blade fans, they're just normal, but they've designed them so that they look good from the back side. So we have this like Hyte aesthetic going on, which is pretty cool. And the Thicc FP12 Duo and Trio are both available in black and this Panda black and white color. So yeah, you've got options depending on what you prefer. And they are all daisy chainable as well, so you can kind of run all of the fans just off of this AIO, because of course the AIO has the RGB controller built into it. So yeah, you can run a bunch of fans off this, do your whole system, have all the RGB synced. And while we're over here, we'll also take a look at the new Thicc P60 Duo. So a lot of people were asking for the AIO without a screen. So this one is going to be cheaper. And you can see we've got this pretty sleek aesthetic going on. So yeah, if you're someone who's not a massive fan of like the big screens being in the system, you have another option here.
And for those of you that love the original Y70 Touch that we have here, you will be happy to know that it is back in stock in July. This case sold like hotcakes. I'm telling you, everyone had this case. There are a few new things with the screen up here in the front. So originally the screen was 4K, but they went back to the drawing board and they were like, we don't really need a 4K screen. Let's drop it down to 2K because it's such a small screen. You don't really need that big of a resolution. And another thing to mention is it's more vivid and bright. So really excited to see that the cases are coming back in stock. Now for you RGB lovers out there, Hyte has finally come out with their own little strip for their case. Now this is the qRGB Noodle. It's a cute little name, Noodle, but it comes in both white and black and 2 different sizes. And as you can see, they've actually designed this whole ecosystem to connect directly with the fan. So everything can be daisy chained off of each other to the RGB strip so that you can have it in your case. Now, if you already own the AIO, you won't need this, but this is the Nexus portal. So you can hook up all the RGB strips directly to this little dock here, and then that will plug into your PC, and then you can control it using the Hyte Nexus software.
Now, it's not brand new, but for those of you that haven't seen it, this is the Hyte Keeb. So super interesting design. We've got lots of RGB going on here. You can customize it via the software as well. In terms of switches, we've got Hyte Fluffy Lavenders, which are actually pre-lubed, feel pretty nice. And we also have Durox stabilizers as well. Now, one of the cool things that Hyte is planning on maybe doing is allowing you to customize these rollers. So these can be programmed to do basically whatever you want via the Hyte Nexus software. But if we have a look at the new roller caps, we've got a wooden one here, we have a gold one, and then there's also this pretty cool like half clear, half black one. So yeah, nice little way to customize your keyboard.
We have something special here. They actually brought this out for just Josh and I. I think we're the first ones to see this. So Hyte and Bits Power have collaborated to create this really cool distro plate inside of the Y70. Now, this isn't a guarantee that it's coming out. It's the prototype, but when they brought it out, I was just amazed because I've always wanted to do a water-cooled build in this case, especially with a custom distro plate like this. So that about wraps it up for our tour at the Hyte booth for Computex 2024.
Yeah, super cool stuff here. And I have to say, the Hyte team is an absolute
Yes,
blast.
they
They're
are.
probably like the funnest people to hang around with. But yeah, awesome booth though, lots of cool new stuff. I'm very excited to get my hands on the new Milky edition.
Yeah, I was actually
like a water-cooled build in that.
Yeah, I was thinking that we would do a white liquid water-cooled build in the blueberry Milky one. That would look pretty cool.
Yeah, it's gonna look sick. But yeah, huge shout out to Hyte for inviting us over to the booth. Computex has been very busy so far. It's only day 2, but yeah, lots more to come. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you all soon.